Hello there. How are you today? I have something exciting to tell you. My wife, Lindsay Coulter, and I are hosting a conference here in Waterloo, Ontario, Canada, which is just outside this window. Now you can see it. I hope you were impressed. And you click the title, you know who's coming. We got John Branch, the one and only. We also have Eric Floberg, who is apparently running all the way from Chicago to Canada for this. And we have Sam Hurd, and we have some other friends coming as well. It's gonna be an exciting time. We're gonna have a welcome party, October 23rd. We're gonna have the conference days, the 24th, 25th. There's gonna be some extracurricular activities afterwards, including a wrap party on the 25th. And it's gonna be a fun time. I'm gonna give you some more information, so if you're like, where the heck is Waterloo, Ontario, Canada? So, a few things to mention. We're about an hour outside of Toronto. So if you're driving here, you probably already know where it is if you live in Ontario. If you are considering getting on an airplane or driving to Canada for this, we are about an hour outside of Toronto, which is here on a map. You might be surprised to learn that it is more south than the northern US states. I don't know. And also that most of the population of Canada basically lives in this area here. And if you are interested in getting on that airplane to come here, Toronto Pearson Airport, the code is YYZ, is probably the easiest to fly into. They have the most flights, especially from the US. You'll also probably get the best prices. We do have a Kitchener-Waterloo airport, but the airlines that fly from there, I don't know. I'm gonna say it's gonna be way easier to fly into Toronto and rent a car and drive out this way, or find some friends that are also interested in coming and carpool together. You can take an Uber from the airport to here, but it's very expensive. So I would say if you got somebody that can rent a car, I might recommend that. The hotel that most of us are going to be staying at is the Delta Hotel in Waterloo. So you can get a room there, or you can find an Airbnb in the area. Everything is going to be in close proximity to the Delta Hotel. So if you're staying there, you're good. And it is going to be October in Canada. So the weather could be really anything. It could be snowing, it could be nice. So I would say bring a jacket. So if you're interested in coming out to Canada to hang out with everybody here, all their faces on the screen, there are tickets available. This event will sell out. It's a pretty small place that we're hosting it, so it will sell out. As of right now, tickets are $299 Canadian, which means if you're based in the US, you're actually gonna get a bit of a deal because it's only, I think, around $220 US for this ticket. And that is up until July 1st. On July 1st, the tickets will go up to $400 Canadian. So if you're interested in coming, please come before. If you want to transfer the ticket, they are transferable. So if you buy one and you're not able to come, we'll help you find somebody else that can take that ticket. Because again, this event will sell out. So if you're interested in getting in on it, get in on a ticket right now before they're gone. Get the early bird ticket price, and I'll see you in Waterloo, Ontario, Canada with my wife, Lindsay, and all of our friends. This here is where our cat goes to the washroom. She has her own house.